Alright gang, welcome to Hanson Speed Shop. Today we're going to be going to another car show. Just want to remind anybody who's not a subscriber to Hanson Speed Shop, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and then comment below, let me know what you think. We're going to be going to the Hub City Days car show, my hometown car show today. There's usually like about 500 cars. It's really an awesome show, and it's only like 2 miles away from where I live. So really cool, so let's go check it out. Alright gang, so we had an awesome day here at the car show. Had a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Hit that like button, comment below, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, get out work on your own projects, get those hands dirty, greasy, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.